Hello, what's up guys? This is Nayantej and welcome to Nova Technology. So today I'm going to say about OBS basic tutorials. So first of all, what is meant by OBS? So it is a live streaming software for PC guys. So I'll give you the link in description. Click on it, you will go to this window. I'll show you now. So this is the window. You can see here. You can download the OBS from here, Windows, Mac or Linux. So I have already downloaded and set up also. So you can see here, when you open the OBS, you will see this window. So first of all, we need a camera. So now I will do a webcam. So where is video capture device? So first of all, this is the first of all, we should create a scene. So you can see here, it is already created a scene 2 or it's scene 1. So next, go to plus and click on, you can see here sources. So click on plus and click on video capture device. So you can see here video capture device. I'll type the webcam so we can identify easily from there. So next you can click on OK and you can see here Iridium. I have 3 webcams. I'll select Iridium webcam. So you can see here, this is the my webcam. So this webcam. So you can see here, you should click on the use custom audio device. So click on it and click on OK. So now you will see here the window has been opened. You can crop the pictures, how much length, how much width you can want. You should crop the pictures and you can minimize and maximize the picture, the camera. So next, after that, we need a audio input capture. So you can see here audio input. Click on plus and click on audio input capture. So this is the audio input capture. You can click on it and I will type the Movano A04 Movano. I'll click for example and click on OK. So you can see a default, not default. So you can see a Movano USB condenser microphone. Click on it. Which microphone do you have? So after clicking and click on OK. So you can see here the Movano A05 has came. So now I will mute the webcam audio and I will set the Movano mic audio. So this red line should not be crossed because there will be so much noise. So red line should not be crossed. So I'll set. So you can see here the red line is not crossing. So after that, we need a view count and alert box. So you should minimize this and go to your browser and click on Streamlabs. Click on Streamlabs. I'll give you the link in description. You can download it from there. So you can see here, this is the first website. Click on it and you can see here I have already logged into it. So they will ask the email and password of your Gmail. Give that. I have given the email and password also. So don't worry, it is a trusted website. So next, it is loading. Slow loading. So very slow it is loading. So first of all, these two we want, audio input capture and webcam. So next, you can see here, you can create an image or game capture or display capture. You also can also do. Now I will show you how to do. So first of all, you lock it. So when you crop and adjust the frame, you should lock here. You can see here lock option, lock it. So then it will not move anywhere. So next, you can see here, so it is still loading. 1 minute. So these two is mainly we should have a mic and a webcam or camera. So to connect it or with wire or wireless, so you can use your phone as webcam. So I'll do another detailed video how to use phone as webcam. So for now I will show you how to So I have not logged in. Again I am logging for you. So you can see here the loading. So you can see here I have 3 emails. This is my email, Nova Technology. So next you can see here. So next go to click on allow. Which Gmail do you want, and click on allow. So next, after giving that, you can see here, so it is loading. So I have given already password. You can see here all web cheats. All web cheats, go to all web cheats, and you can see a viewer count. Click on it. So after click on it, you can see here YouTube viewers, Twitch viewers, Mixer viewers. This is the logo we will come. So next you can change the font size and font color. So now I am changing, see. So how much do you want? That much. So next you can see here save settings. Click on it, and you can see here URL. Copy it and go to OBS Studio, and you can see here plus option. Click on plus option, and you can see here browser. Click on browser, and I will give the name view count. So next you can see here there is another URL. Now I will remove it, and I will control V, paste it. So okay, we should crop it first. So you can see here it has already came. So how much do you want? That much you can crop it. So for example I will do this much. So unlock it. If you not lock it, you should not lock it. It will be not moved. If you not locked, it will be moved. So next you can see here alert box. Click on alert box. And you can see here donations, subscribers, members, super chats, match, cloud bot, redemption, Streamlabs, Prime gift. So if you want, you can keep. I will not keep this all. Only 2 I will keep: members and subscribers and donations. So after that, you should add a picture. Now I am adding. See. So you can see here donations. Go to donations and add a picture. So I have added already this picture, and this is the default sound. So subscribers also I have ordered another one. So the members also another one. So like this we can so now I will change this. So you can see a change media, change this, and go to all files here down. So next you can see here these are the gifts or any posters. So I have, for example, I have only selected this. So after that, the copy this URL and go to OBS and click on plus and click on browser and click on and type the alert box. Alert box. So after click on OK and paste this URL. So I have pasted. So I will keep here and I will maximize it. So how much I want, this much. So for example I will take this much. So after that, lock it. It will be not more. So these are the specifications we need in the OBS live streaming. So after this, you can see here settings. So when we go to live, so they will give a stream key. You can see here, the go to settings and go to stream. You can see here they will give the Twitch stream key, YouTube stream key, Mixer.com, YouTube live, restore stream, Twitter stream. Shows these like, so for example YouTube only means YouTube or gaming, and they will give stream to you should paste it here. So after that you can directly click on start streaming and you can go to live. So this is the today's video. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and if it is useful, share to your friends and family members. This is Nine signing off today. Goodbye.